Hello students, second exercise, third Roman, up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth one, thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeters. Means write standard form, nothing but scientific notation. See this answer. 0.0016 centimeters. Here 0.00 means smallest number. We can write 16 into 10 power minus 4 means decimal after 4 digits means power minus 4. But scientific notation means 1 digit after use decimal. Means 1.6 into here 16 into 10 power minus 4. 16 we can write 1.6 by 10. By 10 means again send numerator minus 1. We get 10 power minus 3. Means 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 centimeters. This is standard form of 0.0016 centimeters. Next, 7th question. So 0.00005 zeros after 5 centimeters. This is right in standard form. 5 into 10 power, here observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 after use decimal. Decimal to decimal count. This is smallest number. Means key power is negative. Means up to 6 digits. Minus 6. 5 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters. Otherwise 5 by 10 power 6 centimeters. 5 by 10 power 6. Again 10 power 6 send numerator. 5 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters. This is standard form of 0.000005. This is standard form or scientific notation. Fourth question. In a stock there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheet each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stock? See this answer. The thickness of the thickness of 5 books of a stock equal to 5 books into their thickness. 5 books into their thickness. How much thickness? 20 mm. 5 books into their thickness plus 5 papers into their thickness. 5 papers means 5 into their paper thickness 0.016 mm. The thickness of 5 books of a stock equal to 5 into books. 5 books into their thickness plus 5 books into their paper thickness. 5 papers thickness. Now 20 into 5, 100 mm plus 0.016 into 5. 16 5s 80 like 0.080 mm. Plus means add. 100 means 100 plus 0.000 like 100 plus 0.080. Add we get 100 plus 0.080 mm. These two add. Here decimal, before decimal to decimal keep, means 100.080. So 0 no need to write. 100.08 mm and write this standard form 1.0008 into here point using 2 digits means 10 square. Here decimal 1.0008 into 10 square mm. This is total thickness of the stock. Total thickness of stalk. Answer. Fifth question. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Here, do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument. Means Rakesh solved some problems here. X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 equal to x power minus 6. It is true or false? See this answer. X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 equal to x power minus 6. We know that a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. For that, like x power minus 3 plus of minus 2 equal to x power minus 6. X power minus 3 plus into minus 3 minus 2, we get minus 5. X power minus 5 equal to x power minus 6. Here power equal, base also equal, powers also equal, means a power m equal to a power n implies m equal to n. When the bases are equal, powers also equal. Like minus 5 equal to minus 6, it is false. Minus 5 is not equal to minus 6. So, right here, in this case, I do not agree with Rakesh's solvation. So this is false. Next, second one. X cube by x square equal to x power 4. Here a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Like x cube by x square equal to x cube minus 2. X power 3 minus 2 equal to x power 4. Here observe 3 minus 2 means 1. X power 1 equal to x power 4. Here 1 is not equal to 4. 1 is not equal to 4. Here also bases are equal. So exponents also equal. Here write here one sentence. Bases are equal. Exponents are also equal. Otherwise a power m equal to a power n implies m equal to n. When the bases are equal, exponents are also equal. Means here 1 equal to 4. It is false. False means in this case I do not agree with the Rakesh's solution. So therefore I do not agree with Rakesh's solution. Third question. X square whole cube equal to x2 cube, x power 2 cube equal to x power 8. Answer. X square whole cube equal to x power 2 cube. Here 2 cube means 8, x power 8. First to take these two. Here a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 2 3s 6 equal to x power 2 cube. Right as it is here. So these two are different. With the bracket only formula, a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n, mn. So without bracket there is no formula, just power do simplify, that's it. Here a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n, 2 3s 6. Again here when the bases are equal, exponents also equal. When the bases are equal, exponents also bases are equal. Exponents are also equal. Now 6 equal to 2 cube. 6 equal to 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 6 equal to 8. It is false. Means therefore Rakesh's solution is wrong. Got it? Next. Fourth one. X power minus 2 equal to root x. X power minus 2. So root x we can write x whole power 1 by 2. X whole power 1 by 2. Again here x power minus 2 equal to x power 1 by 2. When the bases are equal, exponents are also equal. Bases are equal, exponents are also equal. Like minus 2 equal to 1 by 2. So it is false. Minus 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. Means false. Means therefore I do not agree with Rakesh's solution. Three into x power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3x. Here power negative is there. We can write 1 by x. Means 3 by x equal to 1 by 3x. Here equal to sign is there. 3 send here. X send that side. Means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 equal to x by x. Here x send that side. Divide is there. Send that side. It will change it to multiply. Like here x. These 3 send that side. 3 into 3 equal to x by x. Here 3 into 3 means 9. Here x get cancelled 1. In place of 1. Otherwise x power 0 also we can write. Here x get cancelled. Send x power 1 minus 1. We can get x power 0. Otherwise write here x power 0. X power 0 equal to 9. X power 0 means 1. 1 equal to 9. This is false. Therefore, I do not agree with Rakesh's solution. Now, fourth chapter exponents and powers completed. Next class we will discuss comparing quantities using proportion.